Hey, we usually think of planets as loyal companions to stars, trapped in a neat circular dance. But deep in the void between the constellations, there is a billion-strong army of worlds that have no sun, no seasons, and no daylight. These are rogue planets, the dark wanderers of the cosmos, and they might be the most common type of planet in our galaxy. The cosmic eviction. A rogue planet doesn't start out lonely. Most are born in young solar systems, just like Earth. But the early days of a star system are chaotic. When giant planets like Jupiter or Saturn are forming, their massive gravity acts like a cosmic slingshot. If a smaller planet gets too close, it can be physically kicked out of the system at thousands of miles per hour, destined to drift through the interstellar dark forever. How do you find a planet in the dark? Since these worlds don't have a star to light them up, they are nearly invisible to traditional telescopes. Astronomers have to play a game of hide-and-seek using a technique called gravitational microlensing. Because gravity bends light, when a rogue planet passes directly in front of a distant bright star, its mass acts like a magnifying glass. For a few hours, the distant star's light will suddenly spike or brighten, revealing the invisible wanderer passing in front of it. Based on these flashes, scientists estimate there could be trillions of rogue planets in the Milky Way alone. Can life exist in the dark? At first glance, a sunless world seems like a frozen tomb. Without a star, the surface temperature would be near absolute zero. But physics offers a loophole. Internal heat. If the planet is large enough, its core remains molten for billions of years due to radioactive decay. Insulating atmospheres. If a rogue planet has a thick enough hydrogen atmosphere, it could trap that internal heat, keeping the surface warm enough for liquid water. Subsurface oceans. Like the icy moons Europa or Enceladus, a rogue planet could host a massive liquid ocean beneath a thick crust of ice, heated by volcanic vents on the seafloor. In these dark oceans, life wouldn't need sunlight or photosynthesis. It would rely on chemosynthesis, thriving on the chemical energy from the planet's core. The future of the wanderers. Rogue planets aren't just curiosities. They are a threat and a mystery. Some theories suggest a rogue planet could one day drift into our own solar system, potentially disrupting the orbits of the planets we know. They prove that the universe isn't just a collection of solar systems, but a vast ocean filled with trillions of invisible worlds, each with its own history and perhaps its own hidden life. Pretty wild, right?